All right, let's look at the homework 14.4, problem number 3. All right, so we want to find the partial derivative. So this is partial with respect to x. Let's do that. All right, so derivative of 8 is 0, so it goes away. And the cosine of y is going to be just a number, so I'm going to just put that in. Cosine of y, so it's, it's already there. All right, so we got that. And then you just have to take the derivative out with respect to x. So it's going to be negative y e to the negative xy. All right. And the partial with respect to y is, we have to use the product rule there. All right. 8 is gone because the derivative, a partial derivative of 8 number with respect to y is 0. All right, so first, the derivative of that with respect to y would be negative x e to the negative xy, then times cosine of y, right, plus, right, then we're going to leave e to the negative xy alone. And then take the derivative of cosine, so it's going to be a sine. So it's going to be negative sine of y. All right, so we got a partial with respect to y. All right, so if you plug in pi and x equals pi and the y equals 0, you're going to get, let's see. So I'm going to put, let's see, y is 0, so cosine of 0 is 1. All right, then you put pi times 0, so e to the 0 is 1, right? Then y is, actually y is 0, so this is actually 0, right? And partial with respect to y at the same point would be, all right, so you have here, since, this is pi, so you have negative pi, and e to the 0, so it's 1, and the cosine of 0 is 1, so it's going to be minus pi. All right, we got that. Oh, let's see, minus pi. And if you plug in here, so since the sine of 0 is 0, so the whole thing is 0, so you just get that. All right, so the linearization of this function at the pi comma 0 is going to be, all right, so we need to plug in pi, so it's going to be, this is going to be 1, and the cosine of 0 is 1, so 8 plus 1, so it's going to be 9. All right, plus, all right, in this case, plus 0 times, so partial with respect to x is 0, so you're going to have just a negative pi, which is that, and then you have y minus 0, actually, just that. All right, and yeah, that's it. All right, so let's double check, submit for testing. All right, I came back and looks like we got all these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.